Meet the Red Ivy Wound Healing Pad, a breakthrough that bridges traditional wisdom and nanotech. Stay tuned to see why this matters not only for healthcare but also for India's science policy and biotech future. What is this innovation? Researchers at the Jawaharlal Nehru Tropical Botanic Garden and the Research Institute JNTBGRI, Bellore, Kerala, have developed a multifunctional wound healing pad using Strobilanthes alternata, red ivy, locally known as Murikoti pacha. They have, for the first time in this plant, isolated the molecule actioside, which is known for its medicinal properties. What are the scientific features and components? The pad uses electrospun nanofiber layers made of biodegradable, non-toxic, FDA-approved polymers. This nanofiber layer is porous and allows gas exchange, so the wound can breathe. It incorporates actioside plus neomycin sulfate, an antibiotic to help both healing and preventing infection. Effective even at very low concentration. 0.2% actioside produces high efficacy. Why is actioside important from other sources? Actioside is a phenyl ethanoid glycoside with multiple pharmacological activities: anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antioxidant, antiviral, etc. Studies elsewhere show wound healing, tissue repair, inflammation modulation by actioside in various plants. Significance for India, UPSC mains, or the policy context. This innovation is an example of combining traditional knowledge, folk medicine with modern scientific research and technology, nanotechnology, that aligns with the government policy pushes like Ayush, Biotech, Make in India. Such innovations could improve healthcare access in rural or remote areas because plants like red ivy grow abundantly, potentially lowering cost. Also relevant under science and tech, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, environment, and biodiversity. The relevance to prelims institutions like the JNTBGRI, biological compounds like the actiosides, definitions of electrospun nanomaterials, etc. For mains, ethical, environmental, economic implications. Challenges or things to watch: scaling up production, ensuring consistency, safety, regulatory approval, clinical trials, etc. The environmental sustainability, overharvesting of wild red ivy, regulation of plant procurement, cost versus adoption. Will such advanced pads, nanofiber, antibiotics be affordable for wider population? So here's why this matters. Innovations like the Red Ivy Wound Pad are not just science news. They're potential game changers. They show how India can lead in biotech by weaving together traditional medicine plus modern research plus sustainable innovation. For UPSC aspirants, this is a perfect case study for science and tech, environment, and policy linked topics.